what is creativity and what are the factors involved in it. As a digital marketing person, I write many blogs, articles, and sometimes I design graphics. I sometimes I wonder how do I make my content creative enough. Then I realized, I started, browsing on like what are the essential, essential factors involved in terms of creativity. Then I figure out after research with several brands how they starting from how they design, how they build their business. Simplicity is one of the primary factor, or the I can say as the most essential factors involved in making any content or any strategy or any business model uh, creative enough. Apple is one of the best example for that. Apple, how they promote, how they design the products, how they promote, how they all their marketing strategies, branding strategies, how they organizes things inside their company. Everything is based on simplicity factor. Ken Siegel, he's is the creative director of Apple. He beautifully explains in one of his book called "Insanely Simple." Just have a check with that book. It's pretty good book. So it explains clearly on how Apple success is completely based on the simplicity factor. Another best example of the best example of the brand which I can consider is the Amazon. See, like now, like we order any products online, they deliver at our doorstep. And in order to do that, there is many complex process. They buy a product from they consider a product from a seller and list on the website, then process the order, deliver the product, a product. There are many complex process involved. So but the output is simple, right? So it's all about like make focused on making our life simple. On a on a border perspective, it looks as simple. Inside there is a complex. It's as simple as that. If you want to make anything, make it simple. Behind that there are many hard work involved in that. So this is my view on a simplicity which is involved in creativity. So share your views on this video. I would love to hear it. This is Madhu Prasad signing off.